Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Hey guys, Stephen Afford from Afford Fortune, creating fortunes for the future. Today's date is the 10th of December. And yesterday we made a video of this account. And I think we had 53,000 yesterday. And today, of course, this balance is 56,000. It has paid me out. And let me show you some datas. Go to deposit. Here's the new total income at $3,301.17.39 profit today. They have daily profits, so of course you can live on that now. Of course, if that's the amount of money you want, but in this case, we're going to reinvest all that $56,839.43 for the next 24 hours. And of course, tomorrow's profits will be round about 34. Hold on, where am I? 50. Oh, I better not speculate here. I better just give it to you in a proper form. Wait for me. Wait for me. I'm going to have to use the calculator. 5, 6, 8, 3, 9 times 6.2%. 3,500 tomorrow. We'll be looking at 60K tomorrow, US, which is, let me give you a bit of an update. $60 US is a pretty good income. Hold on, I'm just doing some calculation. It's nearly $100,000 New Zealand, which is 97,000. Good money. Oh my God. Anyway, let's go back. I'm going to take the time to reinvest all this lot. Okay. Now, if you want to withdraw, simple. Click withdrawal, take it all out, or part of it. I encourage, don't take any money out and just go through and reinvest the whole lot and see if you can reach your big numbers. My big numbers is to reach $1 million with this account. So just by reinvesting everything, you get what is called a compound growth tomorrow. More money, more profits than I made yesterday. That's what compound interest is. So that's my encouragement for yourself for 2024, or my Christmas present to you is to join. There should be a link down the bottom of this video. Join it. And also subscribe to my YouTube video. You'll be helping me reach my 1,000 subscribers. Now, the point is, I started this account on the 11th of September with $32. Since then, me and my wife have invested 1,000 into it approximately, and this is the income generated so far, all because of the power of reinvestment. So to reinvest all this lot of money, you might ask, how come I'm still on 6.2? Now, the company has asked me to invest an extra $500 into the system because they had paid me a $3,000 bonus. So until I reinvest extra 500, I'm stuck on 6.2, where I should be on 8%, which means by now my income, if I was on the 12%, should be much more than that. And that's the only catch at this point of time. Until I invest an extra 500, my account is stuck. But I'm not going to worry. I'm going to continue pumping more money into my account with 6.2% every 24 hours. And this is the process. If you haven't seen my video before, this is the process to reinvest all your money if you do decide to join this program. Okay, now get out of there. Now, click on spend from account balance. I'm going to reinvest all my account balance of $56,823. Click on that. Change that number to a bigger number. And start reinvesting. I've got 56,000 to reinvest. Unfortunately, it only allows me to invest a small amount, small increment on 1,499. Then click process. Process that I got to do until all my money has been reinvested till tomorrow. But anyway, join, or otherwise join. I got a few links on this video of the many cryptocurrency mining contract you can join. Doesn't matter which one you join, you're going to make money with them. The key is how much money you put in to activate the process in the system. I like XM because it's this process as I'm going through right now, called reinvestment, or reinvestment for compound growth, compound interest if you wish. And this is all I need to do, my little bit of work to earn a lot of money each day. This is all I need to do until all my money has been reinvested. But anyway, this is Stephen Harford from Harford Fortune, creating fortunes for the future. We love you, God loves you, and have a Merry Christmas. Looking forward for 2024.